If you're experiencing connection errors in CS2, particularly error 2026, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your connection stability. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or high latency. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Go to the device manager on your computer, find your network adapter, and check for updates. Installing the latest drivers can improve connectivity. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or causing interference. This includes downloads, streaming services, or any other online activities. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a more reliable service like Google DNS or OpenDNS. You can do this through your network settings, which may help improve connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to address the connection errors in CS2 effectively. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for further assistance.